Check out all these caterpillars on this roux I bought to feed other caterpillars that were already here, the giant swallowtails. And as soon as I brought this home, a black swallowtail butterfly laid eggs on it. So that's what we're seeing here. Oh, that guy mad. He, these are, they look similar to monarchs, but the main giveaway that you can tell the difference by is they're not eating milkweed. That right there, little poopy looking caterpillar, is a giant swallowtail. So they all go through different stages where they look different during their different instars and phases and whatnot. But they are hungry, they eat a lot, and I'm doing my best. Well, you spicy little guy. You're shooting your little antenna out. Oh, and cool fact that I didn't know till after this, they shoot these antennae things out and they actually leave a smell. So it's not pleasant, but it's not like horrible. But yeah, it's actually, it kind of smells like really intense roux now that I think about it. Okay, I'm at Buchanan's in the Heights because it's nearby me, and they have some roux over here. Man, this would like feed one caterpillar like for one day, basically. These swallowtails. Oof, they eat a lot. So do monarchs, though. So, by the way, that noise you hear in the background is a generator. These guys are still not electrified, energized by center pointless energy, as they're lovingly known now in Houston. But what I'm doing is I'm looking at the roux and making sure there's no babies already on there, because I can't afford to feed any more mouths. But the swallowtails will eat. They eat roux. They also like the black swallowtails. They all like different things. I got black swallowtails, giant swallowtails. They'll eat dill, carrot top. Supposedly they eat parsley, but I have some and they don't. I never see anything on there. Well, actually, I saw an eastern black on there the other day. Something, I don't know. So, trying to source some more food that isn't already getting eaten. I'm glad I found some stuff here. Support local nurseries, y'all. Also, it's organic. It's not treated. Some of it's not certified organic. Some of it is. But the other stuff, it's just as good when you're buying from a place like here. You can trust it. You can trust it to feed your cats. Pollinators. Okay, we have 2 roux I got yesterday, 2 more today, and a dill. And I'm keeping them inside until later today, maybe when it cools off a little bit. I don't want butterflies laying more eggs on them. I want these as much as I can to feed the cats that are already out there. And I actually, that's an egg. That little yellow dot is an egg. Butterfly egg. So yeah, we'll have at least one more mouth to feed. It never ends, but that's okay. Very blessed to have butterflies. Very blessed.